What's up, everybody? I'm back again at Tony's Wood Shop. What I've got going on? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do a grill cleaner out of wood. And I'm going to do it today here in Texas. Follow me. Alright guys, the first thing we got to do is draw what you need to cut. So I got me a pencil, got me some wood. Let's start drawing this paddle, grill cleaner, whatever you want to call it. Follow me. You following? Now, if you don't know how to draw, well, I can't help you there, but you should have done that when you were small, when you were a little kid. I remember I used to draw a lot. So. Alright. Nothing to it. Anybody can draw. Get your little kid to draw for you. Alright, here we go. I don't know if you can see it, but see that? Ooh. Right there. Bam. Alright, let's go some cut right now. Alright, the next step is chop it down. Well, you know what? I think it's a little bit too thick, so you may want to plane it down a little bit smaller. So, yes. Let's plane this baby. Alright, let's plane this baby right now. Let's do this again. Just a little bit more. About one more time. That's good enough. Oh man. I planed my drawing. We can do it again, no problem. Let's do this. Back to the drawing board. Let's draw this baby. Yep. All right, there you go. Let's chop it. Bam. Woo. Alright, we're going to use the bandsaw, chop it around. Whatever you do, don't stick your fingers in this blade when it's cutting. And then you'd be looking like this, like this, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. And however, You don't want that. All right. Don't stick your nose either, because then you don't have no nose. All right. Let's do some chopping. Bear with me. It don't have to be perfect. You're only doing grill cleaning. Uh-oh. Was it recording? Alright, the next step is chop it down in the front part. Follow me. Don't stick your fingers in there. See that? Alright, we're getting very closer and closer to finish this baby up. A couple more things and we're going to get it done. Now, the next step is to grind it. Sand it down. Not grind it, sand it down. And we're almost there. Let's do this. Alright, now we're going to use the sander to sand all the edges of this. Follow me. Dang, it's not even on. Alright, let's turn it on. Alright, we can get creative and everything. You can do whatever you want. But this is my other step I'm going to do. Alright, you can be creative. Whatever you cut, whatever you do in the wood shop, you can do whatever you want. I like to burn a lot of stuff. No, I don't mean in the fire and burn everything up. I'm talking about burn. Burn whatever you want on the wood. Let's do this. Alright, got it done. There you go. There you have it. A grill cleaner. You can do whatever you want. You can modify however you want. You can draw your grill cleaner however you want. You can find a piece of wood laying around. Cut it, shape it, burn it, whatever you want. Get it done at your convenience. Alright guys, this is me telling you guys, Tony's Wood Shop.